Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Bake them in the preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes, flipping once in between cooking, say 15 to 20 minutes. When juices from the baked chicken wings come out clear, you can be sure that the chicken wings are done and ready for serving. Allow them to cool down and let the internal cooking continue for 5 to 7 minutes.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Note, the key to great chicken wings is a crispy skin, but you do not want to overcook them because the wings will dry out. The time will vary by individual oven temperature, so this has to be taken into consideration. Another thing that will affect cooking time is the temperature of the meat. 11 March 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
For this method, we recommend baking your chicken breasts at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bonus: baking chicken breasts in the oven doesn't require babysitting. No flipping or turning. Be careful to not cook the chicken at an overly high temperature, as the high heat can result in dry chicken. 3 August 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The USDA says that as long as all parts of the chicken have reached a minimum internal temperature of 165 degrees, it is safe to eat. Color does not indicate doneness. The USDA further explains that even fully cooked poultry can sometimes show a pinkish tinge in the meat and juices. 29 September 2011.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.